Clip. Hey, my God, and but then do they even to stretch my legs to dance core and to feel
The
that
vibe.
old thing. This thing just came in the right moment of my time whereby nowadays my life was just there like that. Na years there and it just brought my life back and all that. Watching these kids perform, like okay, son, you smiling at Jenny's Chinyonyola. I just like, man, this guys even were just showing off. They're just too professional. Cause trust me, singers they are really on that stage and they beat that golden buzzer there and then I could have just got excited
And
and
tweet.
stopped there and Oban Kolentia.
Oh,
But these
yeah.
people pretended as if
They didn't see the
nothing
buzzer.
happened, as if they didn't see the
I know, you are
buzzer.
showing
I
off
know. And they just
these
kept
kids.
on and performed their all routine but they're all that's what surprised everybody.
Welcome back from that short commercial break. My name is the one, the king himself, as always, on Celeb Jazz. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. And thank you very, very much for following us, commenting. Please, if you have any changes that you want, because we started so many changes starting from April until the rest of the time. So if you have any changes that you want to see on the show, please go down in the comment section below. Drop all your comments and trust us, we'll be able to bring on all those changes. So many of you have been asking for Patricia, and she's right here with the big golden buzzer. The queen herself is back. So you missed the Britain trip, right? Or you went? You missed.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the golden buzzer. You've been on big stages, yeah? I can see you even rolling, popping, and and craning, yeah. So first of all, first introduce yourself again.
Okay. Once again, what's up, my beautiful people? I missed you guys so much. My name is Nawakoza Patricia, the Ghetto Queen, and I'm just so excited, so happy, and I don't know, but I just feel happy that I'm just back on camera to you guys to see me. And one thing, I'm not dead. I'm alive. So
Alive and
yeah,
kicking.
don't get scared. Just
Yeah.
keep praying for me, and I just love it. I just love you guys so much. Yeah.
Okay. You've traveled around the world on different big stages, and this has been happening all over your life, I think, since you were 5. Yeah. And then the first appearance on one of the big stages was on the BET. You know, I was watching this performance by these little ones, and I saw this other girl that was carrying a
My
doll.
first appearance on the big stage was Universal Circus.
Yeah, yes. But yeah, how could I be even
No, my
forgetful like
first
that?
appearance on a big stage was AEA.
Okay, that one I didn't know. That were the awards. Okay, Patricia, don't do this. Okay, but now Patricia is trying to do to
I'm showing off.
yes to no, you're not showing up actually. You're trying to hit me hard, but it is okay. I understand. I understand your position. So I was watching this performance, the whole Britain Has Got Talent
Yeah.
(BGT) performance, and I saw this little girl with a doll,
Yeah.
dole y'ebyayi, and the only picture that could come back in my mind was you.
I look like Dole.
No, the girl, the girl.
Yeah.
Yes.
I thought she was trying to abuse me directly.
No, so when this guy walked on stage, it reminded me of the day, because the whole performance, you see, people didn't really get to see the performance of AEA, those
Yeah.
awards. People didn't get to see the performance of the Universal Circus stuff, yeah. But people got to see the performance of the BET with French
Yeah.
Montana, and there's a way you walked on stage. Yo,
It's like a ghetto queen.
I'm telling you, yeah.
You know?
So I see this other person that was greatly inspired by you,
Yeah.
see working on the one of the biggest stages right now.
Yeah.
Britain Has Got Talent. So did you watch the clip?
Oh my God, like I watched it a lot of times, like a lot. You know, since the Ghetto Kids yafe abakulu ingechaliwo, we've always thought about the Americans Got Talent,
Yeah.
Britain's Got Talent.
Yes.
They invited us for the very first time. Na ebi alimu abantu omani, these things, it's a blessing, and I think there is always the right time for everything. So byalimu abantu bangi awo, we didn't know what really went on. Kuba you know, this world is full of,
yes,
you know,
ebikono.
yeah, so
Let's say that in
yeah,
Uganda so that the international audience that don't understand.
So, but God always has the right time. Nikituka era they called us for another time, but we've always thought about joining these competitions and having the golden bazaars. Cause sigament buli muntu azigendako. Sometimes you do good and they call you for the next semi-finals, but nga tofunye golden bazaar.
Yeah.
And you're good to go. But everybody wants to get the golden bazaar. Cause meaning of you've done something different and amazing and beautiful.
Yeah, something extraordinary that they haven't seen on stage before.
So this clip, hey my God, but then do they even to stretch my legs to dance core and you know to feel
the vibe.
That old thing. This thing just came in the right moment of my time whereby my life was just there like that. And it just brought my life back and all that. Watching these kids perform, like, okay, son, you're smiling at I just like, man, this guys, even we're just showing off, they're just too professional. Because trust me, singers they are on that stage and they beat that golden buzzer there and then I could have just got excited and
tweet
stopped there and Obanko.
Oh,
but
yeah.
these people pretended as if
they didn't see the buzzer.
Happened, as if they didn't see the buzzer.
I know, they were showing off.
I know, and they just
These
kept
kids.
on and performed their all routine but they're all, that's what surprised everybody. And
because I couldn't see even Arafat. Is he Arafat, right? The kid,
Akram.
Akram, yes. Yeah. I could see him continue performing. I could see what's the other? Yes, King and
Josephine, Kavidi.
And they are with the big smiles.
Yeah, and they just kept on. Even our manager as well was just, okay, everybody was just so shocked about how nabaliyo benyini bewunyengeri banabana gye batava ku mulamwa. You know, as African kids, man, the way we get excited.
Even like a small thing excites us.
You know, but these kids, okay, they were just so professional and they, you know, they just had to finish their performance. Even the couples, they were not posing performance already. They posed very well. Jojo, that little girl, boldly took her baby to Simon.
Was this planned? I know that was planned.
Yeah, that was all planned. Cause you have to be creative somehow.
Who taught her?
Our manager is the best person in this world.
So the manager taught the Jojo,
like Mr. Kavma Dauda. Because you have to train this thing like really very well.
Yeah.
Because these are big competitions, not that everybody can be there.
Yeah.
And since it has been so just kusaba nnyo na kubeera kola ekyo. One thing about Ghetto Kids, it's you have to be real. Era wobola bagali amazina agaziniddwa wali temwabaddemu anything like sima kola breakdance kwewuba sima kola bintu bitali byaffe. Endongo yabadde yaffe yawano waka mwajulidde.
Ate yabadde yawano but the mega mix.
No, the first beat there was Lingala. Us here. It was made by Ghetto Kids, troupe.
Oh, really? Lingala?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
Then
because there's been a lot of Rugambwe that these kids didn't dance any song that comes from here. No, they did international songs.
Okay. No, we only did one international song.
Which was?
Even the Samina Africa. This is Africa.
Yes,
that
but the Africa other one
song,
was
and that it is in Spanish or what? I don't know. But not katwa genam competitions, you know. Bali bazungu. So we had to do something. Kalenga chisowola okutugatta ffenna nga basobola okutegeera kye tuzina, but our first thing was yabaddeyo wano waffe waka Lingala yaffe endongo yaffe gye tukuba wano ewaka. Then kati wali the other bali okubasika bategeere nti kino okubawa kye muzina. Then the Africa thing, we had to show where
there was that part of freeze, that reggaeton thing.
Can you do that?
I can. You know, just that I'm growing old, but I can. And I'm going to challenge. Was it Akram? No, King. Push. It was Push.
Boy Musuda, call him Boy Musuda.
Boy Musuda, the one who would somersault and freeze in the air. Tell him, I'm going to challenge him very soon.
He's going to have the interview. No, 30 days.
So let's go back a little bit. So the- these people, your brothers and sisters start training,
Yeah.
and you're training for British Has Got Talent.
Yeah.
You're also here seeing. Didn't you even feel bad? You're like, "Ah, these
Oh
kids are going to
no,
go to
I can't feel bad
to
because this is when we started Ghetto Kids. As you hear, it's a Ghetto Kids. Tukula.
yeah,
So choba era ne twali tuzina mwali mubalaba abato nga mwebali tugezaako baplantingamu abantu
and to mentor
mubalabe.
them. Yes.
We fought Smith, you guys used to come here. Atugezaako nti bano we have a new generation bichi, but everything has the right time.
It's their time to shine. That's what you're saying.
No nti obudde bwabwe tewali obwo. So ffe twalina osooka kuba abantu bali tebasobola bawa budde nga naffe nga omuntu akyalaba Patricia, akyalaba Fred, akyalaba Ronnie, era amaaso ge gajja bba gasigala ku bali. So mpola mpola, I want to thank the people nti babaaniriza because man buno bwana buzina.
Now we know
like these people.
And you also feel like
too much, yeah.
These kids are talented.
We see them training here every day. Nene baba in rehearsals. Oh, down now in all but no go. Wow, these guys are just amazing, and it's the most beautiful part in it. Baina menta ya fefa bakulu. Malwe ntibye twayitamu. Katinga eyo hardship je twasanga. Oba ne tumanti kati kino kinabbawo ekiti. We are there to guide them wali ne wali. Ne support yaffe gye bali, you know.
Let's take it back to English so that the international audience could really get this.
Our support that they have from us, that all the ones and all that. Because, you know, man, this thing is not easy. Kale, hardships there and there.
Yeah.
But at least we are there to guide them. Their success is our success. Because they are keeping the Ghetto Kids name just there. Katera Ngaolaba, the Akrams are young, but you're seeing the Jojos and the Sierras are young. So the more we are growing, at least group yes galawiri, a lot of talent.
Let's talk about the secrecy, the fact that you guys kept this for a whole month, because these kids traveled, did the performance, because I know how those competitions work. First of these auditions are just recorded, then they are broadcasted later on. So you keep shut, you keep your mouth zipped up for us to surprise us in almost last days of April.
Oh my God!
You couldn't even fool us on Fool's Day. You kept it to yourselves. So you knew that they had gotten a golden buzzer, and you also kept quiet.
Yeah, but then I was just excited to see how I knew it happened.
They told you the story.
Because by the time I was in Karamoja, they tried to do shooting. There was a movie coming up there, so big. Sagala na yon si maybe okay.
I know about it, but it is okay. I know about it.
I know.
I'm my fans. I'll tell you just that I don't want.
He knows about it because he wants me to be like Kale. Let me
no,
say, but I'm not gonna
but
be
you know,
like
you know
Kale.
about it, right? I know about the one you just shot in Karamoja. I know about the one you've just actually shot recently before even you got sick. I know about the documentary. You see. I'm my fans. I'll be telling you just
so
that I don't want
all
to.
that. So nainga silabangako how the performance was. So me too, just also them. Kubanga the whole thing kategorera ku stage. Sometimes you don't know what's happening to the audience, chechibao, but when they bring together the whole reactions from the people, more audience, and how you were excited, because while your excitement is the tubam, but you don't get to see how you looked like manager when he saw it, like just because they are excited and all the kids reactions and too how people were standing up, how the judges were dancing, how everybody was. So nabo baba denga balaba echipia, you know, everything was like because yes, they knew what they did on stage and all that
and
happened.
They saw the golden buzzer.
Yeah,
but they couldn't even talk about it.
We couldn't. Patience is good. Sometimes obutapapa mpola. Everything
I
has
have
the right
a friend called Bilbao. Could you say that name?
Bilbao.
Yeah. Ah man. Yeah. Now you said it right. That's how it is. Yeah. He's not patient at all. He likes rushing into stuff.
Yeah. Kubangolu, you know,
I'll make him meet you.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
You're okay with it? You're fine? Really? Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll make you meet him. No worries.
So yeah, so all that.
So all that, yeah, patience. So here comes the news on Friday, no, Saturday. It was Saturday night because I saw the clip. Because I really stay like late on my phone trying to do
We
research.
know that. We're doing research.
Yeah. Okay, Patricia, this is my interview, yeah? My show, okay?
Yeah.
So I really sleep really meet a friend, but I really spend like a lot of time in the night, yeah, because during the day you're rushing here and there, and then during the then I was going through my Twitter, and then I saw this tweet from you know how like notifications, yes, pop up, and I was like, then immediately I texted the manager, your manager, because he's a friend of mine. I was like, congratulations. I was like, thank you. Actually, I thought he was not even in Uganda. That's how, okay, that's how, yeah. So he was like, no, I'm in the country. I was like, okay, this too doesn't add up. But because I knew about the competitions, how everything happens, I knew it wasn't a live show. Because if you give your buzzer, you go straight to the live show that everyone can really watch. However, Ugandans, you may not be really able to watch this live because of some reason. But those in the UK will be able to watch this on you watch on YouTube, on even some
everywhere.
sites.
You also watch it live
on TV.
Go you wait and see.
But I think we should work with different media houses to put this live on their television when we go for the live show. When we come for the live show, because I'm also coming.
Okay.
Yes. Ni Patricia oli wankwe kanchogere mu Luganda oli wankwe mbutufu oli wankwe. But anyways, enkokola ziri mu industry ya Uganda.
Sina nkokola. I'm not nkokola lengi. I just said okay.
But anyways, back to the point. So, how was the feeling around home? I know these kids had already gone, but now the thing bursts up.
This was one happiness. Like I believe this whole thing brought me back and, you know, gave me the smiles, the
I can see,
and all that.
And you have a beautiful smile, so it came back.
We were all happy and excited. This thing was on fire. My manager is excited. So everyone was just happy, excited. There are some of the boys, one of them had guide. They don't get emotion. One chiba is called Push. I call him by Musudan because it's so dark. That guy.
One was like
the freeze guy. Yeah, color freeze. That guy is hard. He's a hard guy. But he was the very first person who cried and got emotion. I was like,
this is real.
Man, you're crying. This thing is real. Like, it was just so beautiful. Because nothing. We can watch the video again and again and again and again. So it's just so amazing. Like, happiness. Happiness yabazina, happiness ya audience, the happiness for the judge. Because all of our judge, Bruno and that other girl, I don't know. Yes, Simon. Simon is a hard guy.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is.
You know, for those things. The girl like,
and this Zuki was so, he was also
like that. You know the happiness whereby you know kutegera what you're feeling, you know, the whole thing. Like, oh my God, look. Like, you know.
Didn't you wish you were also on that stage?
Because I believe, man, when those guys are there, we're all there.
Yeah.
Because this whole thing is running out. And actually come out. Kati byonna wozengo wojango bigata BETs, the Jimmy Fallons, the Nickelodeons, the World Cup, the whole thing. Just look at all this big thing that Ghetto Kids. Kati chonna tuchirabira mu kifaananyi kyekimu, and we make sure wali we tutagenda and mention Uganda. It has to be the first thing before anything. No, it could be Uganda was the only flag raised that day.
So we see congratulatory messages coming in on your phone and on everyone's phone that has a phone in this house. By the way, we are at home at the Ghetto Kids Foundation home house. That's where we're doing this interview from. So what you're seeing inside there is their sitting room and then the whole big house. I did a video in 2000 and okay, no, I don't remember the year, but just go onto their YouTube page. You'll see the whole beauty of this house and how it looks. And I'll proudly say I'm the one who did that video. Let me show off. Yeah, I've been with them for all these years. Yeah, let me show off. You don't have to cough. It's okay.
I need
It's all
some
right.
water.
But anyways, the point was, let's just mention some of because in Uganda we know some of these people would want really to congratulate. We'll see something good, but they'll keep it to themselves. They don't want to say, "Oh, Kongs."
Oh no.
So some of those people
First of all,
that
I want to thank our Ugandans. Ugandans, you're the most beautiful people in this world.
Are you sure?
This time, Uganda
showed you love.
Oh my God, everywhere. I want to thank all the artists, all the musicians.
Not all of them. Did all of them congratulate
you? How do you know? Man, what is in our inboxes?
All
our people, all the presenters. Honestly, you people showered us with a lot of love. I won't say for the very first time, but this felt different. Like Okulabanga, those people appreciate. I just like the whole thing cutting. Me, I'm young. Okay, sagala kuga. I'm not young. I'm not so old. Nae kale kulidemu ndali ebintu bingi ya. So this is the very first time okulaba abantu be Uganda ddala abali mu industry gye tulimu ffenna nga twewa eyo support and love. I wish we do this all the time for everybody who does something good. We all going to work hard. N'abalala tugenda working hard because we know one day, one time, if I do something beautiful, I'm going to be appreciated by my country.
What about the backlash? Because on Twitter last night, on Sunday night, there was a lot of backlash on Twitter that was coming with all this whole thing from Ugandans and then Bruno, because I've seen Bruno being hosted on different TV shows because I hear this is not right. You're not supposed to place the buzzer before the performance is done and all that.
That makes it special. You're like, go and control it, man. Ugandans tuli bakabi that yabageta sobola linda
tugereko mu Luganda ntubagamye muno ekidole kino dole yebyaye no
naye mu bulamu mubamu era I don't know how they say it because sagala abantu I'm a Muganda, pure Muganda, but I'll try to, if I say it wrong, I'm sorry.
You tell to me
abantu ababona obe committee chawo
committee chawo
era mubamu ebitonotono like you can't be, it all can be 100%, but at least ku 100, the 98, the 99 it's positive, and that's why I'm greatly neighbors abantu.
So you don't look at the backlash and all that came through.
But right now, let's enjoy the happiness.
Someone was like, this was a sympathy vote, really.
Even if
we know Ghetto Kids can perform better than that. We've seen them do this.
Yeah, Kwanga, no, son, it's okay. Ama, it's okay. The negativity is there for some people, it's okay.
Would you want to meet Judge Bruno? Would you want to meet?
Yes, I want to hug him so bad. I'm like, thank you.
Look into my camera and tell him, yo, Bruno.
Judge Bruno, thank you.
This camera, look at this. Yeah.
Judge Bruno, thank you. Like, if I would meet you one day, you've made a dream come true. Because we've been dreaming about this life a very long time, since the 2014s and all that. So I would give you a very big hug and just thank you as much as I could. Not only him, all the judges, because you people were all excited, the happiness, the enjoyment, and everybody who was on that show. Enjoyment. It's okay.
So I hear one of the posts I saw is that they came with some of the golden golden slates
yeah.
that flows down.
Yeah.
Did you receive one?
Of course, yes. Now,
Where is it? I wouldn't even want to say it.
I knew that was the next thing you wanted to say. That
I
you
also
want
want
to say
to touch it and feel how it feels.
They are kept. Buli omu alina zizo ze yaje nazo akulagako
tebakuwaako.
Nange si byangu. But they're there. We had them like birimu kept in something like that. Yeah.
How? First tell me, how do they look like?
They're gold.
They are gold.
Yeah.
Like I can sell them and get money.
You like money. That's your problem. I tell him to Smith.
It's going back to the golden slides. Are you planning to do something with them, film them or something and put them just as a kujukira? Something like
with those things?
Yes, the golden slides.
Of course, yes. When we've arranged ourselves very well.
I'm seeing you putting them in your hair, like around your head. Just to show.
It's okay.
Will Nyango might even allow you? Because I know she would.
Oh yeah, that girl.
She would even do a skirt like. Anyways, so what next for the Ghetto Kids now that you've won you have the golden buzzer? So now you're termed as the Golden Ghetto Kids Foundation.
And put in the middle the very first golden buzzer
for Uganda.
Not for Uganda.
No, for Africa. No, not for
let
Africa.
me tell you.
Because we have one in South
golden
Africa.
Buzzer, it has been the first golden buzzer to be given like that.
Oh, yeah, that makes it special.
In both Americans Got Talent, British Got Talent, anywhere.
Yeah.
Golden buzzer is so okay.
I
am in the middle
of a performance.
Performance.
And the performance doesn't stop.
It doesn't stop, it continues.
So I'm showing off around the country.
I'm just excited.
I just don't know how these kids are now at school. Because,
No, but Ghetto Kids, Smith, you guys have been with us since. Okay, yes, we've done a lot of big things. They stay kids.
True.
It's good to be humble no matter how big things get. Kubanga lero ekiri enkya tekiriwo. So
in terms of audience and followership and followership, yes, that's the right word. And followership, has this changed anything on the foundation?
Yeah.
The numbers are rising in terms of audience and people following you.
Yeah, true.
Because the other day I saw you posted a video on TikTok and in just a click over time it was in 1 million plus. Yeah.
Yeah, true.
And yours as a person, is it because they know you're part of the foundation?
Yeah.
People are following you and they're going to follow you more after watching this. Trust me.
Thank you.
Yeah. So what next as we come to the end of the interview? What next for the Ghetto Kids? What are your plans after this golden buzzer and all that?
The plans are really big. Like, as you know, katono. So this is just the beginning. Just basaba, keep on supporting us. Love us.
Have you guys started rehearsals already for the semi-finals?
Guys, wait though. Hey.
We can't wait though.
You're going
we
too
can't.
fast.
We can't. We're overexcited
but
now.
Mama will be telling you.
No, just nzibirako. Have you started the rehearsals? Have you started?
No, it's not.
Oh, you're relaxing. You may relax you people and not bring the awards, the money home.
You're being mean.
Better be serious now. Better be serious now, or else we go slap you. We go beat you. Yes, you have to represent the country very well.
Yeah, but we giving in our best just to support your love, and thank you so much for everything you do for us.
Take a minute to thank me.
We couldn't
alone.
Have been. Yeah, I'm coming. We couldn't have been here today, all loving, all doing big things. That Temutua support you.
Yeah.
You make us who we are today, and we love you so much. No matter, I know things come up, things are not always perfect.
Yeah.
But we'll always be the perfect people. And sometimes it's okay to do, so just keep supporting us, loving us, and we love you. We appreciate you. Smith, thank you. You've always been around for us. Mubulunji, our dingo, to let our voices out there to the people. Thank you.
Thank you as well for
loving us.
Thank you as well for appreciating, and thank you for giving us this time. Every time we come around, you know, it's not easy for us sitting with the same person year after year and talking to them and then hearing their questions and all that. But thank you as well as the PR of Ghetto Kids Foundation Uganda. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to talk to you. Say hello to everyone that is behind the curtains, the choreographers, the social media managers, the cameramen.
I want to thank Namata Esther. She's the biggest choreographer. Okay. Abadde wano tuwadde naye Esther, thank you. Nandala, Matthew, everyone, Ronnie Vibes, Guinea. Oh, one more last question. Your friend, your brother, an artist, Man King, was doing an interview. This is away from the Golden Buzzer, and he said that he misses you, wants you to fly to the US. Are you having plans of leaving the country? Are you scared? No, your fans want to know. They love you so much. I wouldn't want you to go. My friends, like... Your fans. Like... And friends. What should you get it about? Talk about yourself. Bilbao, miss you. About that... Because about that lineage of the first... I think Mariam, I want you people to see Mariam, for God's sake. Oh, she should come. So nice. She'd come and say hello, and I know Umar will really be delighted to meet her. Mariam, please come just for a short while. We won't see your feet. We're gonna. No, you just stand right here and bend in a little bit. Yes. So this is the Mariam I've been talking about. Hi, Mariam. Oh my God. What's up? Oli bulungi. Chichi. Bato bangi baradde. Bambi. Amawulire ga Golden Buzzer gakusanga wera gwe wawulira otya? Yali yeebase. Nali neebase. Ngeno oli akikutte. Ndowooza nti oba bulijjo nga omanyi nti akatubeera na vibe. Vibe ya bulijjo ngenda okeera ku makya. Tewavaayo mbuliri. No one knew that, but then I was the very first person you were like, Patricia, tell her COVID. Because you're sleeping, man. You get very long day. No. Mama katuya kuyisa bitama. Kasala tamazo kunyonyola. Omusonyi. Omusonyi. Ochali musanyu. Okaba omanyi okaba bane tokabira wano ku show. So Patricia wadde wano nga atugamba oli wa kabinyo. What do you do in the Ghetto Kids Foundation? What tetuyakulaba oli behind the curtains, eh? Yeah. She's the big sister. She's the mother. Go to Gambako, eh? Yeah. So Patricia aba sirwaza. Ngamukolako. Mariam, when do I request the waza? Omukolako emikolo. Sometimes. But thank you so much for taking care of us. She's been really talking about you and saying, and that's why she called you into the camera. Webale nyonyo akwagala nnyo atugambe nakwagala. So koweyo obaka eri abafani ba Ghetto Kids. Nga gwe mama wa waka big figure. Hi guys. Sister. Big sister. Yes. My Smith Gosale Chigambo. Webala mama ya mpano obugalo kubanga ono Patricia dacyankola nga toli wana. Wama baweyo. Baweyo ko baka abantu babagala nnyo Ghetto Kids. Banange bafani ba Ghetto Kids. Twebaza bikimu kyemutukolera tusiima. Twebaza tukimayi mbere nga mutusabira. Umar what zidagambye Mariam kate Mariam ngate Umar. Really? It's okay. Chona kyekiri. Bamikwano mwebale kwagala abato bange, mwebale kwagala byonna bye bakola, tukimayi mbere eyo nga mutusabira. Era tusaba mwongero tusabira, twongero kikuba. Chamanyi mwenga we muli tewali tusobola gana ne Mukama atukwasizeeko. Amina. Amina. Naye ng'osiiba?
nnyo.
Nnyo. Ne Umar wasiiba. Umar yona aliko kamera enakubye ekikalu.
Assalamu alaikum.
Tayinza kutagiddamu. Kale, that's how we've been today, catching up with the Ghetto Kids. Mariam on my extreme right, Patricia here as well. Thank you so much. Nkozene Bilba on camera 1, then Umar era kubya kakalu on camera 2. Nzada manya sinkana tatira kuba kikalu. Camera but anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please continue watching and continue subscribing. We'll be back next time with another big show and topic.
Oh no, Lindako. Oh damn.
Yeah, this camera is still on.
We have our brother Yaboy. You know Yaboy?
Yes.
He has a big album called Reborn. Smith. We need to call Yaboy.
Yeah.
Like you're not going. Let me call Yaboy to come here and we make an interview with him. If you
Yes.
don't see the interview, that means Smith again.
Okay.
So
We'll
it's
end this
time
interview
for
and then we'll
Identima.
do an interview about the Reborn
Yeah, album for
coming
Yaboy.
soon. Yes, for Yaboy. We love you and catch up on the next interview.